Good day, everyone. My name is Jasper and I'm with
John Clyde Rosalios.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up two types of Ethernet cables, a true straight-through cable and crossover cable. We'll show the step-by-step crimping process and verify both cables using a cable tester to ensure they are fully functional.
We have here the materials that need to this task. First, we have the LAN tester to ensure they are fully functional. Then, we have crimping tool to lock the RG45 UTP cable, and last, the RG45 connector. First step, get the UTP cable and peel the outer cable into 1 or 2 inches using the crimping tool. It's up to you, 1 inches or 2 inches. Second step, arrange the wires based on the straight-through pattern. Use the crimping tool to cut the wires. Straight-through pattern wires is already aligned and cut using the crimping tool. Now, get the RG45, then simply slide the wires in RG45. Then, get the crimping tool, then crimp it thoroughly. Now the straight-through pattern cable is already done. I'm going to test my cable if it is working or not using LAN tester.
I'm the next one to perform the straight-through cable connection. Same process for Jasper.
Okay, next we set up for crossover pattern. In a crossover pattern, the first cable side is the straight through pattern, while the second side cable is the crossover pattern. Unlike the straight through pattern, is side by side is same coding pattern. First step to crossover pattern, same of straight through cable. Get the UTP cable and peel the outer cable into 1 or 2 inches using crimping tool. Arrange the wires based on the crossover pattern. After you align and cut the wires on a crossover pattern in a coding of white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Again, white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Then get the RG45, then simply push the wires in RG45. Then get the crimping tool, then crimp it thoroughly. Okay, it's already done. Set up my cable using crossover pattern side by side. And now we use slant tester again to know it is working or not. Okay, nice one. It is working. Good job.
So I'm the next one to perform the crossover cable, same process as Jasper.